Hello, myself Bansala Smith, and today I will demonstrate physical examination of abdomen. In this, first before examining, we will ask the patient to urinate and lie down in supine position. In abdomen examination, first we will do inspection. In this, we will check patient's scar, symmetry, stray, contour, or any dilated veins. Now we will do auscultation. We will do auscultation for listening bowel movement by placing a stethoscope at each quadrant, and we will use diaphragm part of stethoscope. Now we will auscultate iliac artery and femoral artery. Now we will do percussion in this. We will hear, while doing percussion, we will hear two sounds, dull or tympanic sound. Tympanic sound will be here where there is a hollow surface, and and if we found any dull sound, it means there is an organ present below it, or there is a presence of fluid accumulation. Now we will do palpation. In this, ask the patient, if you feel any pain or any tenderness, just let me know while I'm doing palpation.
Okay.
We will palpate all four quadrants. Okay. Now I will do deep palpation for checking if there are any masses or nodules. For this, I will ask patient to flex his knees. Can you flex your knees? Okay. So now everything looks fine. Yeah, it's normal. So now we will continue with liver examination. In this, first we will percuss towards the mid clavicular line. In this, so as we move upwards, we will find a dull sound, which means there is a border of liver. Yes. So as we measure the liver border, it will be approx 8 centimeter. The distance between the upper and lower border of liver is 8 centimeter, and it is fine because the liver different distance between upper and lower is approx 6 to 12, so it is fine. Now we will palpate liver. For this, put your left hand below 11th and 12th rib, and your right hand on the below the upper quadrant, upper border of liver, and ask the patient to take deep breath. Can you take deep breath? Yes. And now try to palpate liver. Okay. So now next we will move on spleen examination. In this, first we will do palpation. In this, put your left hand behind the 12th rib cage, posterior rib cage, to support it, and put your right hand towards the costal margin, and ask the patient to take deep breath. Can you take deep breath? Yes. And now try to palpate spleen. For make it easier, ask the patient to move to bend little right side. So the because of gravitation, spleen will move upwards, so it can be palpate easily. Yes, here we can palpate. Okay. Now we will do percussion. Percussion with spleen is done to find out if the patient has any sign of splenomegaly. By doing percussion, it looks fine that no sign of splenomegaly. Okay. Now we will examine kidney. For this, put your right hand below 12th rib and your left hand on the left upper quadrant and try to palpate and find kidney. Same procedure we will follow to find out right side kidney. Okay. Now we will examine aorta. So for examining aorta, we will check in upper abdomen part of the patient and will palpate aortic pulses. Okay. No, now I will try to find out costovertebral angle tenderness. For this, ask the patient to sit, lift up, and we will use our ulnar palm area and gently blow at the costal angles to check if there any tenderness, and ask the patient if he feels any pain. So just let me know, okay?